Yesterday, the price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price have formed a bullish breakout above 274.23, a resistance level, and the price almost reached a 251.09 with yesterday's candle. It was not successfully, but today the price continued to rise in value and reached the next resistance level at 2751.09. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the prices behave. The prices formed this bullish breakout here above 2724 and continue to rise in value. This was a very important resistance level that the price needed to make a bullish breakout above in order to rise in value and reach the next resistance level. The price successfully done that. So we can see how the price has done that. First of all, the price had also had problems around 2745.06, and after this bullish breakout, the price continued to rise in value, and currently it is at the resistance level. So what we can expect, first of all, whenever the price reaches a daily resistance or support, there is a potential that the price could retrace in the opposite direction. And we can see when the price has reached here a resistance level at 2751.09, the price has retraced all the way back down, forming the strong bearish engulfing candle. Will it happen? Again, I do not know, but I will follow the market, how the market reacts. So I'm expecting some kind of a bearish reaction around this area of resistance, because we can see at the top was around 2758, and we can see that on the 4-hour time frame we have the first resistance level at 2763.67. So this is somehow the resistance on the smaller time frame, like 4-hour time frame, where I'm expecting that the price could reach today. Will that happen? Well, that depends also what we can see here on the lower time frame, where we have 2757.10. First of all, a resistance level on the 1-hour time frame. Will that be successful in the breakout to the upside, reaching the next resistance? This is something that I'll follow on each hour and inform inside the premium analysis the traders, so they are informed on time. So on the daily time frame, we can see it is a bullish breakout, so there is a potential that the price retraces back down all the way to 2724.23 at this resistance level. Well, based on the experience from the past, this is highly likely. And also there is also potential that the price could continue to rise in value, reaching the next resistance level at 2787.96. So what will happen? First of all, follow the smaller time frame, 1-hour time frame, then 4-hour time frame, and when they are all in line, showing also the daily breakout, this will add more confirmation for the further rise in value, or in the opposite direction on the bearish. So for now, I'm waiting what the price will do around this area of resistance. Will it make a bullish breakout, confirm it as a valid one, or it will retrace back down where the next support level will be around 2744. 2744 is first of all the 4-hour time frame support level that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling down all the way to 2724.23, which is the next daily support level. That's all for today. See you inside the premium analysis, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.